17th century philosopher Thomas Hobbes once remarked that life in a state of nature is solitary, poor, nasty, brutish, and short. Student activities and leadership programs seeks to create a better way to live. Let's observe the SALP staff in their natural environment. But a civilized society doesn't happen on its own. Without constant effort, the rules of civility can fall apart. As Sarah leaves the table, Jordan notices an opportunity to climb the social ladder. In a bold move, Jordan claims Sarah's chair. Sarah is a formidable opponent, and Jordan wisely relinquishes the chair. This situation could easily escalate into chaos, but the SALP staff addressed the matter with civility and cooperation, proving that everyone has the potential to be a leader. Let's see if we can disturb this advisor. The advisor shows remarkable patience. Let's examine the core values of SALP. There's a strong sense of community. Let's see what the accountants are up to.
Are not equating to the expenses showing up on the journal vouchers. So when people come in,
Eric, I was just looking over the expenses from last year, and I have an idea on how we can save a hell of a lot of money. If we start using one vendor instead of multiple vendors and use the P card.
The accountants often speak a language of their own, but it serves a greater purpose: to constantly improve processes and save students money.
If we're going to Hawaii, it's going to be me, you, Sarah Jo, and Amy's flying first class. What do you think about that?
Aloha.
They're only joking. Accounting humor. SALP programs are student-centered. I understand that you might be upset about the article, but one of the things that we do as professional staff is protect our students' First Amendment rights. Yes, all of our student publications are entirely student-run. That's right, if you have any concerns about the article, I would contact the editor of the publication. Integrity. That's also a thing at SALP.
Funding decisions should be made on the merits of what people are asking for, not on any personal bias or interests.
Education and growth are central to the purpose of SALP.
I'm just tired of talking about diversity. It seems it's the only thing we discuss, and I don't know why we need to talk about it anyway. We're all the same.
Gosh, I really hear you, and I really appreciate all of your feedback. I'd love to have a conversation with you just to kind of unpack what you just said.
SALP is ready at a moment's notice to help students.
Hey, is there any advisors up here?
does someone need advising?
I'll help.
Me too.